Imagine never having to eat again. Seriously, pause for a moment and picture this. You're standing under the sun, absorbing all the energy you need for the entire day. No hunger, no food wars, billions instantly satisfied. Restaurants, gone. Markets, gone. Farms, gone. Only pure, clean, endless energy. But wait, what if this perfect world was actually a nightmare? A world where your skin turns green, and even the smallest shadow could kill you. A world where cancer cases explode, and a single cloud could erase an entire city. Let's explore this wild scenario together. It all comes down to one word: photosynthesis. To give humans this incredible power, scientists embark on a mind-blowing genetic engineering experiment. If this operation succeeded, our cells would begin producing chloroplasts, turning our bodies into their own power plants. The first change would be our skin color. We'd all take on different shades of green, just like leaves. No one would talk about skin tone anymore, only, how dark is your green? Our skin would become transparent to let the light in. We'd literally see the energy flow through our glowing veins. Our metabolism would change completely. At noon, we'd be most energetic, and at night, we'd slip into a sleep mode like plants. Our stomach and intestines would shrink and become useless. Humanity's greatest problem: hunger would vanish in a single day. People would simply face the sun to meet their needs. Wars would end, because energy was in the sky, free and enough for everyone. Global peace could finally be possible. Cities would change too. Skyscrapers would vanish, replaced by massive glass greenhouse-like cities. Humanity would migrate to the equator. Today's Sahara Desert could become the new New York. With farming and industry gone, humanity would turn to art, science, and philosophy. Everyone would have endless time to grow and create. The human body needs far more energy than a plant. Our brain alone consumes 20% of it. Even under the best conditions, our skin wouldn't be enough. Even lying under the sun all day, we couldn't meet our energy needs. To meet our daily energy, we'd need a tennis court of skin. That fact alone destroys the utopia. Constant exposure to the sun would be deadly. UV rays would shatter our DNA, and cancer cases would explode. A single cloud could paralyze a city, and one volcanic eruption could bring the end of humanity. Soon, society would split, the dark green elites and the pale, energy-starved masses. Hunger wouldn't end, it would just change form. So I ask you, would becoming a photosynthetic human be worth it? Even with all these risks? I want to see what you think in the comments. And if you love these crazy what-if science adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. In short, while running on sunlight sounds amazing, biology and physics shatter this dream completely. Perhaps evolution brought us here because this was the most efficient way to survive. These complex, food-eating bodies are no accident. Maybe the meal on your plate is really a symbol of the long evolutionary journey that made us who we are.